We have the Spark Hustle Grow box. Let's see what's inside. This best business expense ever. Okay. So we have the action plan, what to do this month, January to February, and then a nice quote to look at. Choose to look on the bright side. We have some online trainings. Oh yeah. Make up your mind and manifest. 6-week course. Totally signing up for that. Awesome. Guided journaling exercises. I'm all about that. Headbands of Hope. Okay. Your purchases create moments like this. This has everything that's inside of here. This is exciting. Woo! It's my first time getting this, so I'm excited. So these are the Headbands of Hope. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, I like this material. It's nice and soft. Kind of reminds me of like leggings. The material that leggings is made out of. It's nice and stretchy, so I could totally wear this at any time. Some excellent Ink Joy pens for writing in my journal and planner. Think less, do more. Nice little planner here. Journal, I think. Let's see. Yep, I can write whatever I want in there. And this is a planner decal, so I can put this right on there as a sticker. Some other planner decals. Let's dig them out. Okay, this one, Plan for Good Things. It's a brand new day. And then we have one more thing. Let's see. Chasing the bright side. Embrace optimism, activate your purpose, and write your own story. So it's actually a novel, looks like. Or some kind of book, anyway. But yeah, I totally will read this, and I'm super excited. Check it out for yourself.